I wish I knew this before.
Heading to Japan soon? Let your MasterCard be your ultimate travel companion. From local trains to the iconic Shinkansen, Japan's railways are more than just transportation. They are part of the experience. And with MasterCard travel rewards, you can unlock exclusive perks, including special offers with East Japan Railways Company Suica card. Let me tell you how. Registration is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just visit the MasterCard Travel Rewards site, check if your card's eligible, and you're all set.
Sushi, souvenirs, and scenic views. And yes, cashback too. No codes, no scanning, just activate and earn instantly. Japan has never been this rewarding. Smart travelers know. Make the most out of your MasterCard and unlock a whole world of cashback offers. Register your card on the MasterCard Travel Rewards website today.